Ordnance Factory Day is observed in India on March 18 every year to commemorate the foundation of the first ordnance factory in Kasipur, Kolkata, in 1801. This day highlights the significance of the Ordnance Factory Board, OFB, and its contribution to India's defence sector. Ordnance factories play a crucial role in manufacturing weapons, ammunition, military equipment, and defense-related technology for the Indian Armed Forces. These factories operate under the Department of Defense Production, Ministry of Defense, and ensure self-reliance in defense production. Over the years, India's ordnance factories have evolved to produce advanced missiles, artillery, armored vehicles, and protective gear. On this day, various events, exhibitions, and demonstrations are organized at ordnance factories across India. Employees are honored for their dedication, and the public is educated about the importance of indigenous defense manufacturing. With the Make in India initiative, the government aims to modernize and expand defense production, reducing dependence on foreign imports. Ordnance Factory Day serves as a reminder of the dedication and hard work of scientists, engineers, and workers in strengthening India's defense capabilities.